Come test drive the 2020 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, rear step bumper, active grille shutters, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, rear view camera. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.